Hi there guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys all are doing great. So friends, I hope you are liking my videos. If you know about wide long heels, please watch this video till the end because today's video is about wide long heels. So they are like the blank canvas of the shoe world. Their pristine color can either stand out or blend seamlessly with an outfit depending on the wearer's intention. These heels have transcended more fashion trends and have cemented their place as a wardrobe staple for many. Historically speaking, heels have always been associated with a higher social status. Today, the elevation they offer is both physical and adding inches to one's height and symbolic elevating the wearer's style quotient. The white color, in contrast, being a touch of innocence, making these heels a beautiful position of power and purity. The designs of white long heels have evolved over the years. While the classic pump remains evergreen, we now have a myriad of choices from peep toes to slingbacks and from wedges to platforms. Each design brings its own flair, allowing individuals to express their personal style. Of course, long heels come with their own set of challenges. They can be easily scuffed or stained, which means they require extra care. The height of the heel can also be a concern for those not accustomed to it. So, white long heels are just not footwear, they are a statement. They tell a story of elegance, power, and versatility, making them an indispensable part of the fashion world. I hope you guys like this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video with more creative ideas of white long heels. Goodbye. Hi there guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys all are doing great. So friends, I hope you are liking my videos. If you know about wide long heels,